In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export Google Analytics 4 custom reports. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the right report, download it in the best format for your needs, and get that data into Google Sheets for easy analysis and sharing. First, open your Google Analytics account and make sure you're in the correct property where your data lives. This matters because downloads reflect the property, date range, and filters you're currently viewing. Next, head to Admin by clicking the gear icon at the bottom left of the interface. Inside Admin, go to the Data Display area. Depending on interface updates, the wording may appear slightly different, but you're looking for the section where audiences and display-related settings are managed. From there, click Audiences. Here, identify the specific audience or custom report you want to export. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right item and that your time frame and filters match what you want to download. This helps ensure the exported file contains exactly the data you expect. Now, look for the Share icon near the top right of the screen and click it. This opens your export options. Choose Download File, then select your preferred format. CSV is ideal if you plan to work with the data in a spreadsheet, clean it, or combine it with other sources. PDF is great for quick snapshots you want to present or send as a static report. Remember, what you download will reflect the current view, so make adjustments before downloading if needed. Once the download is complete, confirm the file has saved to your computer. If your goal is to move this data into Google Sheets, use the Export option that sends it directly to Google Sheets when available. Selecting this will create a new spreadsheet and import the data automatically, keeping everything in the cloud and easy to share. If you downloaded a CSV instead, you can bring it into Sheets by creating a new Google Sheet, then using the Import option to upload the file. Your data will populate neatly into rows and columns for further analysis and visualization. That's it. You opened Google Analytics, went to Admin, navigated to Data Display and Audiences, chose the exact item to export, used the Share icon to download your file in the right format, and then exported it to Google Sheets to import the data. With this workflow, you can quickly move from insight to action and keep your reporting consistent and accessible.